Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And some users have been annoyed at a little something that Microsoft has been doing, which happens when you're using Google Chrome. So when you're using Google Chrome, what happens is that there's a pop-up for some of you that shows that the Bing extension is available to install. So for some of you, this might be popping up. And if you say yes, well, you get the Bing extension added to Google Chrome browser. Now, a lot of people are saying, well, this is annoying. Why are they annoying us with this? Well, obviously, they are through some process in Windows where they detect that you're using another browser. So it could pop up. Yes, it is annoying and probably shouldn't be there. Where I'm, not as not really going crazy over this is that everybody's doing the same thing. So Bing is being advertised on Chrome. Well, the number of times that I use Edge and I get a pop-up on the right side here that says, "Oh, have you tried using Google Chrome?" It's kind of in the same thing. They're trying to get you to use Chrome. I find that as annoying as saying no to having the Bing extension in Chrome. What's worse about the one of Google is that even if you say no, it repeats itself from time to time. At least the Bing extension, pops up once, and if you say no, thank you, it doesn't pop up again. Where Google Chrome add to on Edge, and not just Edge, any browser that you've probably been using Google on it or some Google services, you get that annoying pop-up of, oh yeah, well, you should use Google Chrome, it's better. So I guess it's kind of everybody's doing it. Is it annoying? Yes, absolutely. Should it be there? It should not be there. But at the same time, it's not worse for Microsoft to do that than it is for Google to advertise and annoy you with Google Chrome on other browsers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.